To use your complete burner and valve setup with your single gas stove, follow these steps. 1. Safety first, ensure the area around the stove is clear and well ventilated. Make sure there are no flammable materials nearby. 2. Inspect equipment, check your burner and valve setup for any damage or leaks. If you detect any issues, do not use the equipment and consult a professional. 3. Connect the setup, attach the burner to the gas valve securely. Make sure the connections are tight to prevent gas leaks. 4. Turn off gas, ensure the gas valve on the stove is turned off before connecting the burner setup. 5. Attach the burner to the valve, connect your burner setup to the gas inlet on your single gas stove. 6. Check for leaks, apply a solution of water and soap to the connections. If you see bubbles forming, there is a gas leak. Turn off the gas immediately and tighten the connections. 7. Light the stove. Once everything is securely connected and there are no leaks, turn on the gas valve on the stove. Use a lighter or igniter to light the burner. 8. Adjust flame. Adjust the flame using the valve on the burner setup to achieve the desired heat level. 9. Cooking. Place your cookware on the burner and start cooking. Keep an eye on the flame to ensure it remains steady and blue. If the flame is yellow or flickering, there may be an issue with the gas flow or ventilation. 10. Turn off. After cooking, turn off the gas valve on the stove first, then turn off the gas valve on the burner setup. Allow the burner to cool down before handling. 12. Storage. Store your camping gas stove in a safe place, away from heat sources and flammable materials. By following these steps, you can safely use your complete burner and valve setup with your single gas stove for cooking. Always prioritize safety and inspect your equipment regularly for any signs of damage or wear.